Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday 0.04% negative move. 1.14384 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So now let's straight away check our weekly chart and let's see what happened during our last week. So in this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle with a medium body and a big lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around oversold area which is around 15 to 9 level, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So yeah, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. These levels are sufficient for this week as well. So now straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.14384 is the closing. Direct support is 1.14165. Direct resistance is 1.14517. After direct support, there is a support of 1.13921 and then 1.13694. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.14805 and then 1.15083. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So now before I talk about my opinion, if you don't have enough capital to trade but you still want to trade in forex market, then you can buy a Profirm challenge account where you can pass their target and rules, and accordingly you will get a live account where you can trade directly from their funds and you can get funding to trade on forex market where the 80-20 profit split will be there. 80 will be yours and 20 the company will keep it. So if you are interested in that, you can open the link given in the description of Profirms, of GTC, of GFT, Blueberry funded fires. I have already given link in the description with discount coupon codes which will help you to take maximum discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, then you can directly use that link given in the description. But if you think these platforms has very strict rules, then you can open your live account where you can fund your own forex account. I have already given link in the description of GTCFX. If you face any problem regarding trading, platforms, any challenges, rules, or anything related to deposit withdrawal in GTCFX, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with the same. I won't help you with any trading related tips, but I will help you with how you can better your trading journey in forex market. So if you're interested in that, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let's straight away talk about my opinion EURUSD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.14517 to 1.14805. I'm expecting a positive move in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.14165 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. But remember to see a confirmation candle with a 4 or a one-day candle closing. This is a swing trade that you have to properly use the swing trading strategy only for this momentum, because I am currently analyzing it in a one-day chart. But if you're going for any intraday, then you can always switch the time frame to 1 hour or a 15 minute and you can easily trade for intraday as well. Overall, my expectation for this week is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.